Hello and welcome to our last lecture and video from this course entitled 5 ways to start an online home-based business. So now congratulations for reaching so far in the course. It means you went through the whole suite of business models that we wanted to share with you, and now it's time for you to take action to actually start your own online home-based business. But before doing that, we wanted to share some conclusions with you so that it can be easier for you to take action. Okay, now here is the process and here is how to take action. Okay, first things first. Study all the 5 methods and do your own research. If you have absolutely any question at all, feel free to ask us and we will answer as soon as possible. But it's also very important for you to do your own research for the online business model that you want to start. Why? Because if you do your own research, you know if you like better a business model or a different business model, right? You can choose better as it suits you. Choose one that you think it's the best fit for you and your skills. Okay, maybe you already have some skills in design, then it's only natural for you to start the printables online business model, because it will be very easy for you to create different graphics and design that you can use on personalized products and you can sell, right? If you like, for example, to do price comparison between marketplaces, then it will be very easy for you to start the physical drop shipping business model, right? If it's very easy for you to outsource different things, or if it's easy for you to write, definitely start the Kindle publishing business, right? So you see which one fits you the best and choose and start that one. Stay focused till you make it work. Now, the biggest problem with online marketing and with people who are starting a business online, especially people who want to start a home-based business, is that they don't stick with it for enough time, and they don't actually put in the effort required to make it work. Okay, for example, with Kindle, you are not going to make a home run by publishing only one book. Okay, it happens in some cases, but that's just luck. Okay, but we don't want you to rely on luck. Okay, we want you to rely on science. So there's a process into this. Okay, you have to put in the work. With Kindle, for example, you have to launch, as we have told you, at least 50 ebooks to make like at least $1,500 per month in passive income. Okay, that's most likely, that's the average. Okay, but obviously it can happen faster, it can happen a little later, but that's the average. Okay, so that's what you are supposed to do. If it happens faster, very good for you. Decide if you want to invest any money into the business or not, because that can help you to speed up the process. For any of the business model, or for any of them, you can roughly start with an under $100 budget, but you can scale faster if you have more money to invest. And probably that's obvious for you too. For example, if you already have like $3,000 to invest, you can create your Kindle ebooks right away, start publishing 2 or 3 every single month, and you will reach faster to your goal. Okay. Or you can create better designs if you want to sell printables or anything like that. You understand the whole process anyway. Or you can invest in advertising on the marketplaces where you sell, right? So obviously it will be easier if you have a budget, but the whole idea of these 5 business models is that you do not need a budget of over $100 to start. You can even start with scratch, with zero money with some of them, but any way you would take it, it will cost you under $100. So this is the process. This is what you should do. And what we want you to understand is that you need to take massive action and stay very focused on one business model. Don't have the shiny object syndrome. Run from opportunity to opportunity. Just stick with one till you make it work. Scale it till you are happy with the result, and then go to the next business model. Okay? Now, we thank you very much for being with us in this course. If you loved it, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask us. And if you loved it and found it helpful, please leave us your review and feedback. We would love to hear what you have to say about the course. And again, we are looking forward to see your results with this. Thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in our next courses and videos.